How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of armpit odor with baking soda in only 1 minute. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Billenberg999. So this works for anyone, you guys. It's very, very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to make a paste with water and baking soda. I recommend about 1 tablespoon of baking soda and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it together. Again, all we're trying to do is we're trying to create a paste. So we don't want it too liquidy, and then we don't want it too thick. So we don't want too much baking soda, we don't want too much water. So about 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2-3 tablespoons of water. All you're gonna do is you're gonna get the little mixture and you're gonna rub it on the armpit odor. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. So what this means is it gets rid of smells extremely easy. I've used baking soda to get smells out of fridges, carpets, cars, bathrooms, anything that you can think of, anything where there's a bad smell. Baking soda literally sucks up the smell and completely gets rid of it. Very, very simple, you guys. And it works the same for armpit odor. It's actually one of the best things. In my opinion, it's almost a little bit better than deodorant too, because with a lot of deodorant, what happens is with these deodorants, if they have a little bit of a smell to them, if they give off a smell, that just means there's added ingredients in them to actually give off that smell. That's why they smell really, really nice. It's because of added ingredients. So with the baking soda, you don't get any of that. So it's not going to cause you rashes. I've had a few deodorants before where I had to actually stop using them because I got armpit rashes and just stuff like that. Really bad with my armpits. So I have done the baking soda trick before and it works really good. Now what I do is, just because I don't want to make the mixture every single day, I just use an all natural deodorant that really doesn't have a smell to it, but it still helps to get rid of the body odor quite easily. So I recommend to do that. One other thing I will say for armpit odor, and something that a lot of people don't know, is really be careful with the foods that you are eating day to day, because what happens is a lot of times the food you put into your body, that's kind of how you smell. So if you're eating a lot of junk food, a lot of processed foods, you're probably going to smell worse than compared to if you ate healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, good proteins, good fats, good complex carbs. So give that a try. Try to eat healthier, and I guarantee you, one, you won't smell as bad, and you probably won't smell as much either. So keep that in mind. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.